I have a mystery bag from the Snack and Shack. This is a museum that is just full of snack displays. I have a video that I can post in here as well so you guys can see. But we got this mystery bag that has some snacks and a drink in it, so I thought I would unbag it with you. My husband's here too. Starting off strong.
Oh my gosh.
Cheez-Its. I thought we were gonna get cool stuff. So they have unique things at the museum too. But I don't know if this bag has unique things in it. Do you wanna try this?
Yeah, should we give like rate each one out of 10 or something?
The cheese, okay, yeah.
Cheez-Its.
Okay, fine, yeah, let's rate it.
Have you ever thought about them that deeply?
No, because I actually don't really like Cheez-Its that much.
Yeah, so you can give it whatever you think is honest.
I give them out
5.
of 10.
Yeah. A 5.
Yeah, like 5, honestly. I don't like the aftertaste.
Yeah, it's the aftertaste. The beginning is pretty good.
Okay,
Yeah.
next is Cool Ranch Doritos.
Wait, what's the expiration date on this?
Oh my gosh.
On the front.
2025, July 15th.
Wow,
So-
we're cutting it close to some Doritos.
Dorito.
Yeah, this is a little funny. It's just like gas station snacks. I guess he never said that there wouldn't be
Yeah.
anything else.
I mean, there were simple stuff on display too, but they had cool stuff like old things that I haven't seen in stores for a while now.
Or ever before.
Or ever. Like different flavored corn nuts and there were like
they
different
had-
flavored Doritos.
Yeah, they had beer from the 80s and all kinds
Oh
of
yeah.
stuff.
Okay, Fun Dip, Cherry Yum, Diddly Dip. I'm not opening this. You can have that if you want.
Oh, we didn't rate the Doritos. Those are
Oh,
obviously,
yeah,
those are
Doritos.
obviously a 9. Cool Ranch Doritos are...
I think it's like an 8, maybe.
Okay.
This is interesting.
We'll have to update them on
Arizona fruit snacks.
Oh, like the tea?
Yeah, I haven't had those before. Like the fruit snacks. Oh, they're like little, the cans of Arizona.
Is that mango? The mucho mango you got there? Oh no, this is just the... I want a can.
Dude, it's good.
This is just the
Those are fire. I keep forgetting to rate. Those are like an 8 out of 10 for me.
yeah, I'd say
They're like
7.
super flavorful.
I don't know, maybe a 6, but I've never honestly been a fan of gummy stuff as much, unless it's sour.
A 6?
Yeah,
That's insane.
but I think that's a
Okay.
personal bias.
Crunch bar. I actually haven't had a crunch bar in a minute.
Classic for me.
Yeah, that's like a 9 out of 10. This is cool too. Pelon Mini Chamoy. I think it's like literally just a squeeze thing of chamoy. Right? I don't really know. It's interesting, but I don't want it.
Then what are we doing here?
I mean, if you can open it, maybe I'll try it. Sweet tarts. Ropes. Tangy strawberry. There's 2.
This thing's expired.
Oops. Oh.
Expired 5/25.
Guys, this is expired. Should we check the other stuff?
Yeah, I don't know if this if you.
This isn't that good. I don't like this. This is like a 2.
Oh, you don't like anything tart, so there you go.
Jelly strip?
Okay, that's interesting. What is that?
Bro. Do not swallow in one bite. Alright. No, thank you. Wait, I see something cool. Okay, this.
Yeah, the sweet tart thing. Not very good.
Yeah, that's...
Making me choke.
What'd you rate the sweet tart?
3.
3? Okay. I think this expired too. It says 2024, but I actually wanted to try this. It's like this, like,
2024.
Asian,
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat, I think. It says 2024, bro. You weren't trying to eat May 2025.
No, this is
Chamba
October.
fruit flavored snacks. This doesn't have an expiration date, so I'm guessing it's good.
Must be good.
Whoa. These are really good. Jamba fruit flavored snacks. These are good. That's a 9 out
Is it
of
like
10.
Jamba smoothies, like the Jamba juice?
Maybe.
This is a,
You don't like those?
I mean, it's fine.
I love them. Okay, that's fine.
It's probably a 7. It's better than
Okay, the next few are
Arizona.
gonna be fast. Jolly Rancher.
Oh, you said yeah, this is more than I thought. And
Blow
chips.
Pop. I get the Blow Pop.
I really love a blue Jolly Rancher, so that's fine.
And then Laffy Taffy. I love the banana ones. This one is a sour apple. You can have
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Fruit roll up. Sour fruit roll up. Ooh, we can try doing that thing where we wrap it in ice cream and put it in the freezer.
Ooh, no.
Ooh. The Snack and Shack sticker.
Okay, that's kind of cool.
Business card. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's awesome. Another Jolly Rancher, another Laffy Taffy, same flavors. Okay, and last two things are drinks. We got a Yoo-Hoo.
Okay. I need
Noah
that.
will
Yeah.
have that. Loves Yoo-Hoo. And then a genuine Faygo cotton candy.
This is a cookies and cream Yoo-Hoo.
Cotton candy though.
Oh
in
my god,
drink
this
form.
expires in just like less than a month, so I need to.
Well, you need to drink it quickly. Definitely check them out if you live in the Washington area. He has mystery bags, and then he also has just like things on sale. Overall, pretty cool concept. So, yep. Bye. Noah wants to say bye too.
Laters.